Good day, garden talk time. Let's talk about the tomato plant. The tomato plant is a self-pollinating plant. Now, back in the day, way back in the day, I didn't know much about the tomato plants, and I was frustrated and always struggling to get them to pollinate. Now, they are a self-pollinating plant. So with that being said, there are a lot of tricks out there about shaking the roots and stuff like that, because not just the bees and birds and stuff like that, but the wind, everything pollinates these things. But especially when you're in a greenhouse, let me show you how I pollinate these things. Real simple thing that looks gross, but it's never been used in my mouth. Take this. Let's see if you see it. You just go through and you just touch each one. You see a little bit of pollen coming off on that one, and a little bit of pollen coming off on that one. Just gotta touch them, and then you see all the little white pollen coming down. It has the male and female parts to it. So that's all you have to do. See the little pollen coming down, and pretty soon you'll have tomatoes. If you like what you see, please like, follow, comment, share, and tell a friend. Keep your head on a swivel, stay safe, and hit that subscribe button.